In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to your Cash App from a credit or debit card. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here on the home screen of Cash App. Now, what you're going to want to do first is make sure you've linked your card. To do this, simply come up and click onto your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner, and that's going to take you across to your profile page. So that's going to look similar to this. So what you're going to want to do from here is just scroll down, and underneath the account and settings, you're going to see an option which says linked banks. So what you want to do is click onto this first to go ahead and link your card. So on this screen, you can see you can link a bank or a credit or debit card. You can see I've got one linked already. So what you want to do is press the link credit card option here and go ahead and link your card. So once that's done, you want to come back to the home screen. Next, to go ahead and add cash to your Cash App from a debit card, what you're going to want to do is come to the bottom left hand corner, and you're either going to get a picture of like a bank or building, or it's going to show your current account balance. But whatever it's showing, you want to click onto this option down here. And that's going to take you across to your banking and money screen. Now from here at the very top, you can see your current balance, and what you want to do is click onto this button underneath which says to add cash. Next, it's going to ask how much cash you would like to add. So you can see we've got some different available options, or you can set a custom amount by clicking the three dots here. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and add $10. What's going to happen next? It's going to ask you to confirm your cash pin. So you want to go ahead and put that in and then press next at the bottom. And once you've gone ahead and done that, you'll see we're going to get the confirmation saying that you've added $10 to your Cash App, or however much you have added. And that's how you do it. So all you need to do is go ahead and click done and wait for that to be added to your Cash App. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.